everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display of the Redmi Note 9 versus Redmi Note 9 Pro. So as you can see here clearly the Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Redmi Note 9 here. So right now I'll be comparing the displays comparison side by side, and let's check which display is better in terms of the color output, because both the phones are having the same kind of IPS LCD panels. So let's check whether it is same kind of color output or different brightness or low brightness. So I'll be testing all other conditions in this video. And also do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also follow me in the Instagram page, so where I'll be posting the sample images for the camera samples regarding the smartphones in the Instagram and the Telegram group as well, so which will be very good. So even recently I bought the Mi Note 10 Lite as well, as you can see. So definitely I'll be doing plenty of comparison videos with other smartphones in the future, so stay tuned by subscribing. And also don't forget to check out the links in description for the playlist of in detail reviews. So on the back side you can see plenty of phones over there, so definitely I'll be doing a lot more comparison. So right now you can see here clearly both phones are playing the same kind of video, but the good thing is that in the Mi Note 9 the punch hole is in the bottom, so usually you will be holding the mobile phone in this way, so definitely you'll be covering the punch hole. But in the Redmi Note 9 Pro it's in the middle, so you can see the difference. And right now I'm with the full brightness in both the phones clearly. So overall the size is 6.6 inches and 6.553 inches on the Redmi Note 9. So just a 0.1 inches difference between both the phones in terms of the display size. But overall brightness levels, I think both the phones are doing pretty good job, and both the phones are having same kind of output levels. So clearly right now even I can notice not much difference between both the phones. But if you notice here, the Redmi Note 9 is more bright, so that is a small thing which I noticed, the lights over there, and here it's a little bit dark in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So both the phones should have same kind of panels, so definitely, so this should not be any other problem. So this with the full brightness, as you can see right now. So same kind of comparison I'll be doing with other smartphones as well, with the POCO X2 or any other smartphone. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. So both are having same kind of brightness levels at 10, and then let me decrease to 5, same brightness levels, and 0, and both are same. And Note 9 is slightly lower brightness levels. You can see the clouds in the Note 9 Pro but not in the Note 9. So overall, if you want a bigger screen, the 9 Pro will be the best option for you. So both the phones are having the same kind of battery capacity, and I'll be doing the in-depth battery comparison as well between both the phones. So definitely if you are looking to buy the Redmi Note 9, if it's released in India, then definitely you can subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting plenty of reviews on the Redmi Note 9 heating test and battery drain test and PUBG battery drain test as well. So there is separate playlist as well for the only for the PUBG battery drain, so which will be very helpful. So don't forget to check the PUBG battery drain playlist, as you can see. So overall this is a quick display comparison between both the phones. So do comment below which display you like the most. So this is the advantage of having the punch hole in the bottom. So usually the black colors will be there on the corners in most of the videos, and this will be covered every time, but not in the middle punch hole and notch. So here you can see in this clip clearly the black punch hole is covered and not this punch hole. So this kind of advantage you do get this kind of having the punch holes on the left side. And that's it for this video, and for more videos do subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing multitasking and in-depth comparison between both the phones, Redmi Note 9 versus Note 9 Pro. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.